Hello, my name is Manuel José Maya Cardona. I am from Convención Norte de Santander, Colombia. I am studying industrial design at UNAD. In my community, I found a beautiful artwork called Creamos Cultura de Paz, haciendo las paces con la paz. It is a mural made by a community art collective. I found a similar artwork in Google Arts at Culture. It is called Guernica and was created by Pablo Picasso in 1937. Both artworks are similar because into the importance of peace. Use symbolic colors, promote reflection about violence, and express joy and respect for human life. I think these artworks are important because they connect local and global cultures. Thank you.